really good at transitions. The weather is so nice today. Anyways, welcome to an after-school routine fall edition. I got home from school like half an hour ago. The times I get back from school really depend like on the days. Today I got home at 3 p.m. But since I have this much time today, I'm gonna take some time to do some homework. I have multiple tests this week that I need to prepare for. So let's go. What do y'all think of my art? Anyways, I gotta get back to work. How's school going for you guys so far? I actually had an interesting day today because I didn't go to school. I go in science line at school, right? And so we went to this presentation where basically people who have studied this at universities, and there was this one girl and she had actually been in space. She was the first woman to go like over the North Pole in space, and she talked about her experience. She showed lots of videos for being in space, and it was really interesting. It was really nice. I can literally feel myself getting grumpy right now, so I think it's time to make myself some food. What do I have here? It's currently almost 5 p.m. So I think I'm gonna start making food soon now. But I don't know where my mom is. I need my mom because we were gonna eat dinner together today. I know that we have chicken and vegetables. But other than that, I don't really know what I'm gonna eat. I hope the background noise of my air fryer isn't too disturbing. But guys, I want to show you something. Because if you didn't know, I am obsessed, and I mean obsessed, with spices. I put spices on everything except fruit because, well, it depends. Sometimes I like to have cinnamon on, but it depends. But I put spices on everything else at least. And we bought some new spices with my mom, so I want to show you guys what we bought. We bought this falafel seasoning that has like a lot of garlic, like you can see the color, a lot of garlic. So this has sea salt, onion, garlic, parsley, coriander, cumin, and pepper. When I tell you it is good, it is good. But when I tell you that your breath stinks afterwards, your breath stinks afterwards.
Nice.
So that's the first one. Then we bought some avocado seasoning, and honestly I was a bit deceived because I thought it would be really good. But it's not really good. It's good, but I thought it would be more explosive than what it was, but it wasn't. So in here we have sesame, sea salt, onion, tomato, garlic, paprika, pepper, chili, coriander, so lots of different things, but it wasn't as good as I thought it would be. This is dal. I don't know how you say that, how you pronounce that, but basically it has coriander, ground tomato, garlic, chili, onion, ginger, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, lovage leaves, black pepper, and clove. And then you have tandoori spice, and I love tandoori spice, but this one is really, really good. I don't know if this was really interesting, but now you know what I eat. Like, I think I'm gonna put the falafel seasoning on my chicken just because I feel like it. Or the tandoori. Tandoori, chicken tandoori. I think I might have to go for that one. Sometimes when I make food, I can't wait till the food is done to eat. So I just have like this kind of apéro, and then I immediately am a little less hangry. Okay, so dinner is ready. It's chicken, broccoli, and then it's like artichokes, and yeah, that's it. So that's great. Bon appétit! Oh was gonna brush my teeth, but I realized I already did it. Oh well. Check. It's a while later. I don't know if you can see, but it's completely like there's no daylight coming in. Yeah, I got home from my walk and I would love to say I did something really interesting, but what I did was film a TikTok, which just the filming took about half an hour, and then editing, which took about 45 minutes, and now we're here and the video is uploading. So yeah. In case you don't follow me on TikTok, it's Elise. Oh, put it here. Since I've already brushed my teeth, let's wash my face. I'm just gonna put on my PJs first. I'm gonna do a little transition. Are you guys ready? I used to be really good at transitions when I was like 10 years old on TikTok. It was my thing. I know the flashbacks are wild right now. Anyways. How did I do? I think it was a slay. I'm gonna say it was a slay, guys. Let's get clean. Let's go. It's not fall and Halloween season until the spiders, the cat, and the mushrooms are out, okay? And this little guy, of course. Okay, so I'm in my bed and I'm gonna choose what workout I'm gonna do tomorrow morning. I did lower body this morning, so I think tomorrow I want to do full body. And if you're wondering what workouts I'm doing, I have this app. It's called Form. It's from Sammy Clark. Form. And I've been using it for years now, and I just love it. I love anything Sammy Clark. Like, Sammy Clark, I love you. You changed my life. So I'm gonna figure out what workout I'm gonna do, and that usually takes some time. Because I can be indecisive, which I'm really working on, because you don't go anywhere in life if you just spend your life wondering what you're gonna do in life, you know? So that was really good at describing like my life. Anyways, I'm just gonna try and figure out something quickly. I'm gonna stretch a little bit because I really need it. Let's go. I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm super excited to be in bed, honestly. I'm gonna do my Duolingo first, because I do Duolingo every single evening. Then I'll fall asleep. It's currently almost 10 p.m. so I'm really tired. But I'm happy and I'm excited for a new day tomorrow, so that's why I gotta go to bed. But yeah, I love y'all. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing night.